Functions. What are they? It's a question. So essentially all I think a function is a way of getting from x to y. But it doesn't have to be x, it could be anything. So traditionally the way we look at it is it's like we get x and then we do something to it and we come out with y, or f of x. So f of x is the same as y, it's just a function of x. Function of x. And I'll show you how a hand is just like a function. So if we were to if we were to try to convert hands into fingers, like I want you to tell me, if I had 5 hands, how many fingers would I have? Well, this would be a function. Because if I told you I had 2 hands, we could go 2, use this function. Okay, so if we had 2 of them, there'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. And that's why a hand is just a function. And that's just like any of this for x's and y's. Let's give you an example. If y equals 2x, okay? Let's put x in. Let's put x in, and it's going through 2x. Yeah, and it comes out to y. That's kind of what it's saying. So if we put 1 into this, if we let 1 be x equals 1, then we put it through, it'd be 2 times 1, and we come out, because x is now 1, and we come out with 2. Y equals 2. Well, if x equals 3, we put it through, and we go replace x with 3, because x is now 3, it becomes 2 times 3. Because remember, there's a little times in there. It's hidden. 2 times 3. 2 times 3, and we get y equals 6. And that's how this is just like a hand. It's just a way of getting from one thing to another one. So before I go on, I'm just going to give you a sneak peek for the next page. I'm going to be talking to you about linear equations. 2x plus 3 is an example of a linear equation. And I'm saying, well, a linear function. And it's just a way of converting things from, x's to y's. And in terms of linear, that means straight line, straight. And function just means conversion. So it's a straight conversion. Or any way you want to think of it. And I'll show you how to graph it in the next video. Cheers.